Hello everyone, welcome to the book and notes. This video is part 3 of chemistry class 11 chapter 3, the periodic classification of elements. In this video we will provide you the best handwritten notes, so you are first advised to watch the video till last and then download the PDF from the description box. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share the video among your friends to motivate us. Let's start. Electronic configuration of elements and the periodic table. Electronic configuration. The distribution of electrons into orbitals of atom is called electronic configuration. An element location in the periodic table reflects the quantum number of the last orbital filled. Now let us come to electronic configuration in periods. Period of an element is indicated by the principal quantum number for the outermost valence shell. For example, the outermost valence shell of lithium is 2s1, so its period number will be 2. And the outermost valence shell of sodium is 3s1, so its period number will be 3. And scandium is 3d1 4s2, so its period number will be 4, and so on. So each new period begins with the filling of a new principal energy level, and for successive periods in the periodic table the electron enters in the next higher energy level, that is n is equals to 1, 2, 3, etc. Now the number of element in each period is twice the number of atomic orbital available in the energy level that is being filled. For example, the first period fills s orbitals, so there are 2 elements possible in the first period, and the second period fills s and p orbital, so there are 8 elements possible in the second period, and similarly in third period 8 elements are possible, and in fourth period 18 elements are possible. Now let us come to elements in the first period. The first period corresponds to n is equals to 1, which has only one orbital, that is 1s orbital. Since s orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons, so only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium, is possible. Now let us come to elements in the second period. In the second period, the principal quantum number n is equals to 2, and it contains one 2s orbital and 3 2p orbital. So the maximum capacity is 8 electron. Therefore 8 element is present in the period. Now let us come to elements in the third period. The third period corresponds to principal quantum number, that is n is equals to 3. So it contains only one 3s orbital, 3 3p orbital and 5 3d orbital, and the maximum capacity of 18 electron. But 3d orbital is somewhat longer than 4s orbital, so 3d orbital is filled after filling of 4s orbital. Therefore, in the third period only one 3s and 3 3p orbital are filled with capacity of 8 electrons. Hence, there are only 8 elements from sodium to argon which are included in this period. Now, let us come to elements in the fourth period. The fourth period corresponds to n is equals to 4, which contains 1 4s orbital, 3 4p orbital, 5 4d orbital and 7 4f orbital, with total number of 16 orbital with capacity of 32 electrons. But the energy of 4d and 4f orbital is larger than 5s orbital, so 4d and 4f orbital are filled only after the filling of 5s orbital. However, the energy of 3d orbital is comparable to that of 4s orbital but less than that of 4p orbital. So after the filling of 4s orbital, the electrons enters in the 3d orbital. So in the fourth period only 1 4s, 3 4p, 5 3d orbitals are filled. Hence there are total 9 orbitals having 18 electrons capacity. Hence there are 18 elements in the fourth period, starting from potassium with atomic number 19 to krypton of atomic number 36. Let's start elements in the fifth period. This period corresponds to n is equals to 5, which contains 1 5s orbital, 3 5p orbital, 5 5d orbital, 7 5f orbital and 9 5g orbital with capacity of 50 electrons. But just like fourth period, It involves the filling of one 5s orbital, 5 4d orbital, 3 5p orbital, having total 9 orbitals with capacity of 18 electrons. Hence, only 18 elements are present from rubidium 5s1 to xenon 5s2 5p6. Now, let us come to elements of 6th period. This period corresponds to n is equals to 6, that is 6l. Thus, 1 6s orbital, 7 4f orbital, 5 5d orbital, 3 6p orbitals, that is total 16 orbitals are available having capacity of 32 electrons. Hence the number of elements present in the 6th period is 32, starting from cesium with atomic number 55 and ends at radon with atomic number 86. Now let us come to 4f inner transition series or lanthanoid series. The 14 elements from cerium to lutetium constitute the 4f or inner transition series, which is also known as lanthanoid series due to the resemblance of the property of this element with lanthanum. Now there is a question that when 6s orbital filled up completely, the electron enters 5d orbital rather than 4f orbital, which is against Aufbau principle. Why? And the answer to this question is this is because of the high stability of xenon core, since 5d orbital lie outside the core and have energy slightly higher than that of 4f orbital, so it gets electron first. Now let us come to elements of 7th period. The 7th period corresponds to n is equals to 7. Just like the 6th period, it involves the filling of 1 7s, 7 5f, 5 6d and 3 7p orbitals, that is total 16 orbitals successively with capacity of 32 electrons. Hence the number of elements present in 7th period is 32. This period includes most of the man-made radioactive elements. Let us come to 5f inner transition series. It is also called actinoid series. The 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium constitute the 5f or inner transition series, which is also known as actinoid series due to the resemblance of the property of this element with actinium. Now there is a question that why 4f and 5f inner transition series of elements are placed separately in the periodic table. And the answer to this question is to maintain the structure and to preserve the principle of classification by keeping the element with similar property in single column. The 4f and 5f inner transition series of element are placed separately in periodic table. Now let us come to other qualities of periods. Period 1, it is also called very short period. Period 2 is the first short period, and period 3 is also called second short period, and period 4 is also called first long period, and period 5 is also called second long period, and period 6 is called very long period, and period 7 according to NCERT it is incomplete period. Now let us come to group wise electronic configuration. Element in the same vertical column or group have similar valence shell electronic configuration, that is the same number of electron in the outer orbital and similar property. And group 1 element are also called alkali metal. Group 2 elements are also called alkaline earth metal except beryllium, and group 15 elements are also called nitrogen or nitrogen family elements. Group 16 elements are also called chalcogens or oxygen family elements, or group 17 are also called halogens, while group 18 are also called noble gases, and group 3 plus lanthanoids are called rare earth metal. Thanks for watching the video, and you can get the PDF of this video in our Telegram channel.